Hello guys, welcome to Maths and Physics Catalyst, a channel for secondary school and advanced class students. Today marks 5th November 2025 and we'll continue with fraction. So our aims of today are conversions of fractions, finding lowest common multiple, that's LCM, operation with fraction, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So these are our aims of today and we are going to cover it inshallah. Okay, so let us begin with conversions of fraction. Okay, so as you can remember, we have three types of fraction, which we said there is proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. Okay, so conversion of fraction, we have so many kind of conversions, but here we are going to discuss on only three. The first one we are going to start is conversion of improper fraction into mixed fraction. Okay, so for conversion of improper fraction into mixed fraction, if you remember last time we said that improper fraction are those fractions in which the number up, which is the numerator, is always greater than the number down, which is the denominator. For example, if we have 7/2, or we have let's say we have 5/2, or we have let's say 13/3, or we have so many of them, let's say 23/4. Okay, so if all this are improper fraction, if we want to convert it to mixed fraction, just say solution. All you need to do is to know how many times denominator can go into this numerator, like how many times can you take this denominator, which is 2, and multiply it, in which it will reach a number close to numerator or exactly the numerator. So what I mean here is, just if I said how many 2's I have in 7, if I have 1 2 3, I have 3, because 2 times 3 is 6, and then what, there is remainder of 1. So as I said, that amount that it can go, 2 can go into 7 3 times, that is your whole number. Like this, you just said it is 3 times. So now after 2 go into 7 3 times, we know that there is remainder of 1. That remainder of 1, you write it here, and then you said all over your initial denominator, which is what, 2. I hope you are getting what I'm saying. And then that's all. This is now in what, in mixed fraction. Let's say in B, I have 5/2. I want to convert it, so I will just say is equals to how many times 2 can go into 5. If I have 2 1, I add another 2, it will be 4. 2, if I add another 2, it will be 6, so it exceeds 5. This means 2 can go into 5 2 times, so I have what, 2. And then what's the remainder? Remainder 1, because from 4 remain 1, so that this means remainder 1. And then I will just say all over my initial denominator, which is 2. I hope you are getting what I'm saying. So now again, for C I have 13/3. 13/3, I will just say how many times 3 can go into 13. 3 plus another 3, that's 6. 2 times plus another 3, that's 9, which means 3 times plus another 3, that is 12. So I have what, I have 4 times, so I'll just say 4. Then what, remainder 1, then all over 3. For the D I have 23/4. So 23/4 I will still do the same thing. Just know that you just have to count how many times denominator can go into numerator. That's all. So 23, 4 can go into 23. How many times? 4 can go into 20 5 times. Then there is remainder of 3. So I can just say 5. Then what? Remainder 3 all over initial denominator, which is 4. Okay, now what of if we are given mixed fraction and we want to convert it to improper fraction? This is how to do it. So A, you have 3 whole number 1 over 2, which you already see it is on mixed, it is on proper fraction. So always what you do is generally the numbers are in this format. Let's say A B over C. This is how mixed fraction used to come. So always you have to know that if you want to convert this, the relationship between C and A is multiplication, and the result you have, the relationship between it and B is addition, and everything you now divide it with this number. What I mean here is, let's say you want to simplify all this. What you will say is this C times A, and then plus B, then everything over C. This is how to convert mixed fraction. Generally, the denominator of that improper proper fraction, then you now say multiply by the whole number plus that one, like that. So let me just start. So here I will say 2 times 3, and then plus 1, then everything over 2 again. You always divide with this denominator. That's it. So you just said it's equals to 2 times 3 is 6, and then what? Plus 1 all over 2. 6 plus 1 is 7, then all over 2. This is your answer as we find it here, as you can see here. So for the remaining, let us quickly do it. I have 4 whole number 1 over 3. 4 whole number 1 over 3, I will convert it as what? Our denominator, you should know that here is 3. So we have what? 3 times 4 first step, then plus 1 second step, then all over 3. That's all. Then you simplify. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 all over 3, and this is what? This is 13 over 3. That's our answer. For C, C is 5 whole number 2 over 3. Okay, 5 whole number 2 over 3 is equals to, our denominator also here is 3. So we'll just say 3 times 5, then plus 2, then all over 3, which is the same as what? 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2 all over 3, and finally our answer is 17 all over 3. That's the answer. Then D. In D we have 4 whole number 4 over 5 here. 4 whole number 4 over 5. Okay, still this one I'm going to read it the same way. Our denominator here is 5. Is 5. Okay, so I'm going to say 5 times the whole number, this one, which is 4, and then plus this numerator, which is another 4, then all over the denominator, which is 5. And after you simplify everything, it will be 5 times 4 is 20, plus 4, then all over 5. 20 plus 4 is 24 all over 5. This is how to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction.